Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring yet another Ole Smoky. This is the Pumpkin Pie Shine. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, wow, you went through a lot of that bottle.
All right. Well, our buddy Bo Miles here was the rep for Texas. Actually brought me this go. This is the Ole Smoky Pumpkin Pie. And the thing that's cool is you can see all the lovely sugar here on the top. You can see it around there. That beautiful coated on sugar. Yummy. So this is actually a Distillery Only product. And where you know that once again is the commemorative jars tell you that it's Distillery Only. So he brought this when we had a tasting back in, oh my gosh, what year was that? 2018 maybe? So it was a long time ago. Will and Sarah missed that tasting. I'm sure they were so sad. But it's quite chill. Like I said, I love Ole Smoky. This is fun stuff. But this one did come from the rep. But I have like 50 different Ole Smokies, and Will's super excited to know that we're going to do 50 at least of these Ole Smokies. Super stoked. Anyway, it is 20% made with distilled corn, natural flavors, caramel coloring, FD&C Yellow No. 6, made with cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. You'll get that full, rich pumpkin pie, including that crust in your experience. It is Distillery Only. Seasonal fall comes out every year. It is a warm. Some fun cocktails are the warm pumpkin cider, the pumpkin pie dream, the pumpkin Spiked Café, and the Pecan Pancake. All right, let's see what this pumpkin pie moonshine with Ole Smoky.
It smells like a fucking pie in the oven.
It does. It's beautiful.
And it has the dollop of fucking whipped cream on it.
It does. It's so awesome. It's pumpkin pie, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, whipped cream, and crust. It's exactly like a pumpkin pie. And this will ruin your world if you drink a ton of this. It smells wonderful.
I've never smelled something that is so identical.
Like, they nailed this to just the absolute. It's beautiful. They did a great job.
I got no words other than this is absolutely pumpkin pie in a glass.
Yeah, it's not sugar. It is exactly pumpkin pie. It's not some weird sugar substitute. It's pumpkin pie. Yeah, it's perfect. It
smells like you just liquefied it somehow. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Tastes the same. Pumpkin pie, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, whipped cream, crust. I mean, it is nailed. They dialed that in perfect.
It's so creamy.
It is for a non-cream based. They have a newer one that I've got called Pumpkin Pie Cream. We'll have to review that one sometime soon too. Get that out for you guys.
So cream tasting.
Isn't it so good?
How did they do that?
It's magic. Yeah, it's really good. But yeah, bro bought it for the tasting. I was like, that is on. He left me this. I was like, this stuff is so good though. Stephanie really likes this one as well. As you can see, we drank a ton of this one. It's good stuff. We brought it to Thanksgiving a few years ago. I was like, oh, that shit's really good. But yeah, if you get a chance to try this, it's good stuff. It's $20. It's delicious. Price can't beat the price. Cool, it was a cool mason jar. Distillery's cool. You gotta go you sort of get it, but it's worth it. It's delicious. I love it.
It's sweet. It's really sweet. But
it is sweet,
enough too sweet. This is really good.
Seeing for Will say it's really good, that means a lot.
I don't typically like these sweeter liqueurs at all. But this is different and interesting, and they just nailed it. It's nailed.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. So this is our third Ole Smoky, and we have like 47 at least to go.
Oh, joy.
If you like them like this one, you might be in good shape. You never know.
I like this one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.